welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday today and Keenan and I were gonna go grab happy hour with Dylan and then we're gonna go to a comedy show, and it was like super last minute, literally found it today, but it's one of our like comedians that we like watch a lot, so we're actually so excited to go. So it's gonna be a really good, really fun night. I've never been to a comedy show before, so a new experience too, which is exciting. But I wanted to show you guys my outfit because I think it's so cute. We have a purse. So this is the hair and makeup. And then we just have like a gray long sleeve dress with a leather dress that like ties on top. And then black go-go boots is the vibe for the fit today. And I really like it actually, so we're gonna rock with it. We are drinks down. Hibiscus margarita, lychee mojito, lychee, is it lychee?
Yeah.
Lychee or leche? Lychee.
Lychee.
This is so good.
Lychee.
We just finished the comedy show and now we're gonna see if there's like a fun lounge to go to. Keen's rating on the performance.
I absolutely love Pitch. Like, I love Pitch. I've watched all this stuff on Netflix too, so.
It was really funny.
1 to 10, 9.
It was really funny.
Only a 9 because I missed that one. But that was good. Let's go.
And I've never been here. Woo! It was so fun. We have a little gold crane.
With the gold watch.
With the gold watch.
So.
Welcome to my ASMR Taco Bell. What time is it? 11 p.m. We're early birds. People are leaving their homes to go out and we're just now getting home with our late night snack.
We're already getting home.
Yeah, and we've already been to like 4 places.
We started at like 4:30, fine.
Yeah, we started at 5:30. So 5:30 to 11, I feel like that's solid hours of being out and about in the town.
Who'd you see?
What?
What comedian did you see?
What comedian did we see?
Ben Schwartz?
That too.
I can't remember.
Ben Schwartz.
He was really good. He brought out a group of 4, so there was 4 of them. That's why I was confused. We're gonna play music. But anyway, we're having Taco Bell. Enjoying each other's company. We had a great night out. We went to like 4 or 5 different locations too. So it was like a full night, but it was very early, which is perfect because that's the vibe.
Oh, this is the right.
Good morning. It is Monday, the beginning of the week. Right now, I am like scrolling on Amazon to order new bed sheets and duvet, but not like the bed sheets. Like we already got new bed sheets recently, but I mean like the like duvet cover. So we're getting a new duvet and a new duvet cover. But I've just been like putting it off because we've been like traveling recently. I just feel like I'm gonna do it right now because I feel like if I don't do it now, I'll never do it. And I'm also watching the Met right now. I've never watched the Met live. Like I feel like I always just wait and like see the after pictures, but just trying to like get into fashion more. So I feel like honestly like watching it, you like see everything, kind of like learn all the names of everything and like the styles. Yesterday, you guys, oh my god, yesterday was so bad. So I went out Saturday night. Keenan and I did like a date night, but we also like went and got happy hour with our friend Dylan. He ended up doing stuff in the same area that we were in, so we all just kind of like went together and then like found each other at the end of the night and then all came back and like ate here and hung out here at the same time. So it was honestly really fun and I feel like the perfect balance. But Keenan and I went to one of our like comedians that we always watch like the Netflix specials of. We saw a live improv comedy show and it was so funny, and like just it was a really fun night and a switch up, because I feel like normally we either like stay home and just like do like an at home date night, or we like go out and we go out to like the bars or the clubs or whatever. And I feel like this time was the first time that we went to like a comedy show. It was both our first times going to a comedy show. So fun and so cool. So I'm really happy that we did that. I had the best time. But then Sunday morning, I woke up and I felt so sick, you guys. Like, I literally threw up so much, and I thought it was like, at first I just thought I was like really bizarrely like badly hungover, but I like didn't drink enough to like be that hungover. So I was like, what is going on? And then like when it kept happening, I was like, okay, this is definitely something else. And I think I got food poisoning, because I like had a sandwich that had like, I don't know, just like meat and like, I don't know, just like I had a sandwich. Keenan had a little bit of it too, and he was like, I think something's up with this sandwich. So I don't know, but I got really sick from it, and so like felt honestly like horrible all of yesterday. Anyway, that was to fill you guys all in, but right now I do want to look and get these sheets ordered. I just want to make sure that I'm like actually getting what I'm looking for. I don't want white sheets. I feel like normally I go for white sheets, but I kind of want to do, because my self tan and makeup just kind of ruin it, honestly. So I'm gonna try to get some more like sand cream beige color. Good morning. It is Tuesday morning and we got the bed sheets in. So I am like, typically by this point in the morning I would already have like the bed made and like the room tidied up, because I like to make sure to start the day with like a clean space. I just feel like it helps so much with your mental. Here are gonna be like the new sheets. This is kind of the color. We went with like a tan. I think this is tan. I got them on Amazon. They are in my Amazon storefront under home essentials. But yeah, I wanted something that was like linen vibes. We didn't want to go with white anymore because I don't know, I just feel like the white always gets messed up. And we're people like, we like to have snacks when we watch movies together, and the dogs come on the bed. So we just wanted something that wasn't like pure white and like so obvious if there's like something on there. And the sheets are still white, so we'll still have that like accent of white. So that's kind of what we were going for. I genuinely am so excited for this. Like, I love when you get to add, like, change up the vibe in your space. Like, I feel like that's just so crucial. The duvet is laying out right now. I'm just gonna let it like get back to its original puff. I really do feel like I was like so hesitant on doing it because our old duvet was a full and we have a queen bed. And I was just like putting it off because it was like fine and it was like working. And then I think yesterday I was just like so over it. And I was like, you know what? Honestly, investing in the space that you sleep in, I feel like is valid. Sleep controls and affects so much of your life, your attitude, your energy. Like, it really makes the world of difference. So I was like, you know what? Actually, let's do it, because investing in your environment is so important. I feel like if you aren't happy in a way in your environment, like it will affect and like bleed into other areas of your life and you might not even notice it. We have a lot to do today. Today is a very, very pack-filled work day. So it's going to be a lot of editing. It's going to be a lot of filming, and I'm a little sick right now, but we have a lot to get done. So let's do it. And I'm excited. Honestly, any day that I feel like I have a lot to do, at the end of the day when I've done it all, I am like so proud of myself. Like, I'm so stoked about it, because I'm the type of person that's like, if I'm not doing something at all times, I think I'm being lazy. I will think I'm not being productive. I have to be doing something at all times that I feel like is like bettering myself or my future or like whatever, my environment, the whole deal. On days like today, it's like honestly great for my mind, because I'm like, woo, like I'm getting stuff done, yay, like I'm stoked about it. But like if I have a day where I'm like, it's not that busy, well, I'm like, okay, I have to keep myself busy, because then I feel like I'm wasting my time, or I'm like spending my time being lazy when I could be getting stuff done. I love days like today because then I can stay busy and stay productive. But anyway, I have my Better Days greens here. Today's lemonade tea flavored, and I really like this flavor. So yeah, let's go knock some stuff off the to-do list, shall we? Seriously, no, wait. I just like did all the sheets. For reference, I love white. Like I am somebody that's like, I know I'm one of the ones that likes like an all white room. Like I want the walls white, I want the bedding white, like as much white and bright and open. Like it just like makes me feel like excited to get up in the morning. And if it's like nice weather, it like accentuates that by like 10. Like I love having like a bright room, so I love having plants in the room. Like I love it when the room feels alive. Anyway, I'm trying, okay? I'm trying to add a little bit more color to the room and get more creative with it. But anyway, when I was putting it on, I was like, oh my gosh, like, oh, I think I like the white more. Like I think the tan is gonna blend in too much with the side tables and like with the floor. And I was kind of like, oh no, like what have I done? But I just made the whole bed and I actually think that I love it. I actually think that it's so cute. Okay, here's the big reveal. I think that actually looks really good. Or do you guys think the white looks better? I honestly, cause like there's a little hint of white with like the sheets. So I actually think I like it. I need to pull that down. We have a floating bed that has like LED lights underneath. So there's no like headboard, and the bed is really supposed to look like it's floating, which is really cool. It was just like a little Amazon order, and I think that it was like only $100 because it really is just the like frame and then the lights. Like it's very small, but we kind of like that like unnoticeable look, like the low to the ground. Then we can change the colors because we have colors behind the TV, and I just like, I love it. I think it's so cute actually. Okay, yay, I'm really happy with the results. Woo. Wait, I also didn't realize how much it matches the tote bag that Keenan got me for my birthday from Marc Jacobs. I just filmed a little TikTok review of this Makeup Forever Face Essentials palette. It almost has my shade right now. Like this is the closest that I have of a shade match in my stuff, so I'm actually really happy about it. So now I can wear makeup and not have to worry about it looking bad because it's not matching my skin tone. You guys, it is actually, this is what it looks like. I could use these two as my concealers. This one is my foundation, that one is my bronzer, these two as my blushes, and this is my highlight. And it worked perfectly. And look at how thin and packed. Like I feel like it's literally a packing hack to have this. Like it's a cheat code because anytime I go traveling now, I'm literally gonna bring this because it has every shade that I need, multiple versions of products, and it turned out so good. And we have some PR to unbox. So let's unbox a little bit of PR together. Okay, to start, Motel Rocks sent me these pants. I wore them yesterday because I'm already so obsessed with them, but they have like the 2 stripes on the side and then the M, and they're like wide-legged at the bottom, which is my favorite. I've been loving wide-legged pants recently. And then they also sent this super cute little like ribboned tank, which is perfect because like I love this kind of style right now. So I feel like you can style that top like a ton of different ways. Okay, let's get into unboxing some of the packages. The first package is from Bumble and Bumble, and they sent their hairdresser Invisible Oil, which is supposed to soften, silken, and tame, defrizz, detangle, and protect against heat and UV damage. So it's kind of like an all-in-one, which I'm stoked about. Thank you so much, Bumble and Bumble. The next package is from Function of Beauty. I've never gotten PR from Function of Beauty before, so I'm actually very intrigued to see what this is about. I've heard a lot of mixed things about Function of Beauty, so I am intrigued to be able to just try it out myself. But this is their Function of Beauty SOS Leave-In Treatment Biotech Powdered Custom Repair. And then they also sent their SOS Conditioner and their SOS Shampoo. Thank you so much, Function of Beauty. I am so excited to try and review. And the last package is from L'Occitane, and they sent your Next, everything shower routine bestie, a cleansing and softening whipped almonds. The smell of their body wash is genuinely so good, and I just ran out of it, so I love that I'm getting like another restock of something similar because they smell so luxury and just they smell so good. Thank you so much, L'Occitane. That was all of the PR that I have for you today. I am so thankful to be getting PR from these brands. It's so cool to me still, like every single time I open them, I am just amazed and I think it's so fun. So thank you to these brands for sending me these products. Wait, what day is it? Wednesday, it's hump day. Happy midday of the week. I got ready this morning and I'm just like in kind of a comfy outfit because I'm literally just in my like comfy beige Zara pants that I stained in New York, and I washed them maybe like 6 or 7 times with stain remover each time, and I got the stains out. But I'm just wearing like big graphic tee. The weather is finally really nice out. Guys, Kenan and I have been listening to this song on repeat. We cannot stop listening to it. It's so good, so we thought we'd share.